Welcome to this video on how to use persuasive negotiation as a strategic business playbook. In today's competitive business world, being able to negotiate effectively is a key skill that can make all the difference in achieving your business goals. In this video, we will explore the art of persuasive negotiation and how you can use it to your advantage. Let's start by understanding what persuasive negotiation is. It's a technique used by skilled negotiators to influence the other party to accept a proposal, idea, or deal. In persuasive negotiation, you focus on creating a win-win outcome that benefits both parties, rather than just trying to win at all costs. Persuasive negotiation is not about manipulating the other party or using high-pressure tactics to force them to agree to your terms. Instead, it's about building trust, understanding their needs, and finding common ground. Persuasive negotiation is a valuable skill for individuals who want to achieve their objectives while maintaining good relationships with others. It requires a mindset shift from seeing negotiations as a zero-sum game where one party must win while the other loses to one where both parties can benefit from the negotiation process. Skilled negotiators understand that the most successful negotiations result in a mutually beneficial agreement, rather than a one-sided outcome. Effective persuasive negotiation begins with building rapport and trust with the other party. It involves actively listening to their needs, concerns, and objectives. By doing so, you can identify areas of agreement and create a shared understanding of the problem you are trying to solve. This can help build a foundation for a collaborative negotiation process where both parties feel that their views are valued. Another essential aspect of persuasive negotiation is the ability to communicate your ideas clearly and effectively. This requires a deep understanding of the other party's perspective, as well as an ability to articulate your arguments in a way that resonates with them. This means being able to explain the benefits of your proposal or deal, and how it can meet the other party's needs and objectives. During the negotiation process, it's important to remain flexible and adaptable. This means being willing to explore different options and compromises to find a solution that works for both parties. It also means being willing to revisit your assumptions and ideas if the other party raises valid objections or concerns. One of the most critical skills in persuasive negotiation is the ability to manage emotions. Negotiations can be emotionally charged, and skilled negotiators understand how to remain calm, composed, and professional, even in the face of challenges or disagreements. This means staying focused on the objective of creating a win-win outcome and avoiding getting sidetracked by personal emotions or ego. In conclusion, persuasive negotiation is a technique that requires a combination of communication skills, emotional intelligence, and a collaborative mindset. It's about finding common ground, building trust, and creating a win-win outcome that benefits both parties. With practice and experience, anyone can develop their skills in persuasive negotiation and achieve better outcomes in their personal and professional lives. So, how can you use persuasive negotiation as a strategic business playbook? Here are some tips to help you get started. Prepare for the negotiation. The key to successful negotiation is preparation. Research the other party's needs, goals, and priorities. Identify their strengths and weaknesses and think about how you can use them to your advantage. Prepare your own objectives, limits, and alternatives. Anticipate potential objections, and prepare responses to them. Listen actively. Effective negotiation requires active listening. Pay attention to what the other party is saying, and try to understand their perspective. Ask questions to clarify their needs and concerns. Show empathy and acknowledge their point of view. Build rapport. Building a positive relationship with the other party can make negotiations more productive. Find common ground and show interest in their business and industry. Be respectful and courteous, even if you don't agree with their position. Create value. Persuasive negotiation is about creating value for both parties. Look for ways to expand the pie and create opportunities for mutual gain. Brainstorm creative solutions that address both parties' needs. Focus on the benefits. In persuasive negotiation, you want to highlight the benefits of your proposal. Emphasize how it will solve the other party's problems or help them achieve their goals. Use persuasive language and examples to illustrate your points. Use reciprocity. Reciprocity is a powerful persuasive technique. If you give something to the other party, they are more likely to reciprocate by giving you something in return. Look for ways to offer concessions or incentives that will make the other party more willing to accept your proposal. Handle objections. Inevitably, the other party will have objections to your proposal. Listen carefully to their concerns and address them directly. Use evidence, data, and testimonials to support your argument. Avoid getting defensive or confrontational. Close the deal. When you reach an agreement, summarize the key points and confirm the details. Close the deal with a handshake or other appropriate gesture. Follow up with a written agreement that outlines the terms of the agreement. In conclusion, persuasive negotiation is a powerful strategic tool for achieving your business goals. By focusing on creating value, building rapport, and using persuasive techniques, you can influence the other party to accept your proposal. Remember, negotiation is not a zero-sum game. It's about finding common ground and creating a win-win outcome. So, go ahead and put these strategies into practice. As you do, keep in mind that preparation and practice are key to successful negotiation. Before entering a negotiation, research the other party's position, interests, and priorities. Think about your own position and what you're willing to concede. During the negotiation, be sure to actively listen to the other party and acknowledge their concerns. Use language that builds trust and fosters collaboration. When making your case, focus on the benefits that your proposal offers to both parties. If the negotiation hits a roadblock, try to identify the underlying issue and work together to find a solution that meets both parties' needs. With practice, you can become a skilled negotiator and use these techniques to achieve your business goals while maintaining positive relationships with your counterparts. In summary, persuasive negotiation is a valuable skill that can help you achieve your business objectives. By focusing on building rapport, creating value, and using persuasive techniques, you can influence the other party to accept your proposal. Remember, negotiation is about finding common ground and creating a win-win outcome. With preparation and practice, you can become a successful negotiator and achieve your goals while maintaining positive relationships with others.